How are you today? Carly's going to read story today because Laura's got a little bit of a headache, bless her. We love you, Laura. So, are you ready? We're going to read Bear Snores On. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds drown, but the bear snores on. A itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls through in the cave with the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak in the den. Mouse cries, who's there? And Hare hops in. Whole house says Hare, long time no see. So they pot white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles in, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I pour honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mel mutters, what a night, what a storm, twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they stuff, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave, the slumbering bear sleeps through the party of his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a smell peppered fleck makes the bear. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he squeals. He roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You sneaked into my lair and you've had all this fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pot more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins stool's tails through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Wow, I love that story. That's one of Carly's favourites. See you soon, tiny treasures.